Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Ankara Double Rose Turban. If you are just joining us for the first time on this channel, please consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a new tutorial. So let's jump straight into the video. So I'll be using this Ankara fabric. This is lining. I'll be using this bridal satin. This is elastic and cover button skeleton and tape. So this Ankara fabric is 23 inches by length. My head circumference is 22 inches, so I added 1 inch. That's 23 inches. Then the width is 13 inches. The same thing for the lining. This lining is 23 inches with length and the width is 13 inches. So you fold your Ankara fabric and your lining into two. From this edge, you measure 4 inches and mark it. So from here we'll make something like an arc. So this is it. I'll cut this out. So we'll keep it aside. Then for the band, now this band is 28.5 inches. My head circumference is 22 inches, so I added 7 inches extra because this is not a stretchy fabric. So you fold, this is the back and this is the front. You fold your Ankara into two. Then we'll use this elastic. This elastic is 3 inches width. So on your band, measure 11 inches. Measure 11 inches. Mark with your chalk. On this other side of the band, so on this side of the band, measure 11 inches. So that is your measure 22 inches on both sides. So this remaining fabric, this remaining space is 7 inches. This is where you add this elastic on this 11 inches there. You pin it, then drag this elastic to this other 11 inches line here. So you stitch on this one, then stitch on the edge too. So I'll go ahead and stitch now. So this is the stitch times. So you bring the base of the turban now. This is the back of the Ankara fabric. This is the front. So on the front side, place your band like this. This folded part should be at the middle of your cap. Then you arrange this. Okay. So sew this as it is like this. Stitch it. Then before then, you will add lining to it. Sew your lining. So run a straight stitch down. So guys, I've gone ahead to stitch straight down. So now I will turn this. So you fold it back into two equal parts. So it's needle and thread. I will do a running stitch from this point to this point. So I run my stitch from this point to this point, so I'll drag this now. After dragging this way, you secure your thread. And now tie your sewing and cut off your thread. So guys, this is what Ankara Turban looks like. So now for the double rose design, this is bridal satin. The length of this satin is 24 inches length by 5 inches width. Then this other one also is 24 inches length by 3.5 inches width. So what I will do is I will still run a running stitch. This is the front of the bridal satin, this is the back. Fold to the front side. This is the front. Now I'll run a running stitch with needle and thread. So I'm done running my stitch. I'm just dragging it together to form rows. So you put one side of the root into the other side of the root. Fold this ½ inch in and put this one inside, so we'll stitch it. So tie and cut out the thread. This is one rose. We are going to make the second rose. Run a straight stitch just the way we did this one for this other one too, and make another rose with it. So guys, this is the other rose flower and this is the first one. So now we'll attach this to our Ankara turban. You take this first one with your needle and your thread. You're going to attach this. Look at where I'm attaching it. At the center where we run our stitch, that's where I'm attaching the rose flower. So I have attached this. You pick the other one too and you attach it same way. So guys, after fixing the rose flower, this is what our turban looks like. We are going to cover this opening with cover button. You can use brooch to cover it, but we'll make cover button to cover this. This is just a piece of Ankara fabric from this Ankara fabric. So this is cover button skeleton. This is the cover. So I'm going to use this shoe issue to make cover button. Put your cover button and apply little U issue and fold in your Ankara fabric. Add U issue. Then pick the cover and press it down. So guys, this is how I make my own cover button. So you add little U issue to the midpoint on your rose flower and use your cover button. You hold it to dry. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara Double Rose Turban. This is what our turban looks like.